it's Kushi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To someone who don't know me, which you obviously won't because I'm not famous yet, but I will be someday, you guys. So hi, my name is Kushi Singh. I am as of now, I am still medical student for a few days, but by the time you will watch this video, I'll probably be graduated. So yeah, that is a big achievement. I mean, I have survived 6 years. As crazy and happy it is also very heartbreaking because I am leaving this place and I'm not liking it, but we will not go into that. Also, oh my god, also, like, I have an ongoing series on my Instagram which is called Her Last 100 Days of My MBBS Abroad Life, in which I have documented my whole, last 100 days, what I have done and what has happened, my college fest and my birthday and everything, my day-to-day life in general. Like, it is crazy, and you should watch it. And bhai, agar nahi dekh rahe ho to kya kar rahe ho tum? You should go and literally follow me on Instagram, and there I'm very active and we can catch up there about my life, what is going on and what's happening. But here we'll talk about you because you are important, and there is literally something which needs to address. So there was this somebody who reached out to me, and we were just she was asking me about things, and I was just telling her, and she told me something, and in that moment I was like, भाई ये तो सिर्फ इसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये तो जब मैं आ रही थी तब भी मुझे काफी लोगों ने बोली थी. And oh my god, non-medicals, people who are not in this field have a lot of opinions, and you're not supposed to, you do not have to entertain that. Like, quite literally, you do not have to. It's fucking bullshit because they do not know what's happening, what's the ground reality, and I will tell you. I have took it on my shoulders. I'll tell you the ground reality and how is it, what is it. And I just come here, speak the truth, because nobody is literally paying me for doing this kind of shit. I wish they would have, but then as of now they do not. The question that I received, somebody texted me this, and I'm like, भाई ये तो address करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि I'll तो make video about it, और मुझे इतने टाइम से टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था और मैं बना नहीं पा रही थी, but here I am. So let's get into it. Okay, I'll just put it here, and I'll also read out what, and we'll go through it step by step. Okay, dissecting it, we'll go through it. Okay, she sends me this ki I just saw a post on Reddit that was quite demotivating, saying that if you couldn't clear NEET, how will you clear USMLE and stuff like that. Firstly, it has nothing. Oh my god, I do not get it. People who are not in medicine field and people in general have a lot of opinion, and you, my love, you do not have to hear to those. Okay, you are giving NEET exam at 18, 17, 18 is when you give your NEET exam. Why? Like, there is a lot of expectation of people on you, and this video is sponsored by Select Your University. They are basically helping students with whole admission process, which is a very tedious process. They just ease it up for the students and their parents, and they take all your burden on their shoulder so that you can sleep in peace. Why to trust them? Because they are literally doing it for 14 plus years, and they have launched a very mind-blowing offer that is going on right now. If you register through the link which is there in the description below, you can get the first flight ticket free to Georgia, and it is first come first serve. So make sure you go register yourself, and cherry on top, they're also not taking any consultancy fees. Yes, there is a zero consultancy fees. So make sure you go check their channel out. Make sure you register yourself and get a free flight ticket to Georgia. And I don't know why people literally expect you टू क्लियर अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जिसके बारे में तुम में इतनी सीरियसनेस नहीं होती यार. बहुत ही कम बच्चे होते हैं एट 18-17 जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियसनेस होती है कि भाई कुछ तो कर दिखाएंगे लाइफ में. बहुत ही कम होते हैं, सब होते भी नहीं है वो, ठीक है. और लाइक जस्ट बिकॉज यू कुड नॉट क्लियर वन एग्जाम, जस्ट बिकॉज यू कुड नॉट make it through one fucking exam, they literally judge you and let them. You cannot help it. You cannot get into somebody's head and be like, nahi mujhe aata hai and I'm very capable. You have to tell that to yourself. You do not have to explain it to anybody, not your parents, not your friends. No, you should know it in your head, and then you do the aligned action to prove it to them. ठीक है. I am a sole example of it. मतलब ठीक है, मैंने इतना कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है अभी जीवन में, बट मुझे पता है कि मैं कर लूंगी, बिकॉज भाई नीट एग्जाम जो कि एक 17-18 साल की जब हम होम होता है तब हुई थी. FMG एग्जाम या नेक्स्ट एग्जाम, दैट विल बी व्हेन यू विल बी 24, 25, 26, लिटरली 23. आई मीन वो फेजेस ऑफ लाइफ तो देखो. 18 में भाई तुम एक प्रोटेक्टिव बबल में होते हो, तुम्हें बाहर की दुनिया ही नहीं पता होती है. एट 23, 24, 25 यू बाई देन 18 से तो बहुत ज्यादा मेच्योर होते हो और तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसनेस इन जनरल लाइफ के बारे में होती है. तुम उतना अपना घिस के पढ़ लेते हो यार. तब तुम्हें पता होता है कि हाउ But like how much it is important to clear those, like you know, whatever exam that you're preparing for, be it USMLE, be it FMG, be it Australia की exam, Canada की exam, जो भी competitive exam, it is very different. And I vividly remember कि हम लोग मेरे एडमिशन के बारे में बात करने गए थे कोई कॉलेज में, एंड that person was like कि नहीं नहीं इसको रिपीट करा दो एंड देन माय मॉम टोल्ड हिम कि भाई हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम लोग इसको बाहर भेज दें, एंड ही वाज लाइक कि कान ऐसे पकड़ो या ऐसे पकड़ो, एक ही बात है कि वैसे भी अभी जब ये नहीं क्लियर हुआ तो वो कैसे क्लियर होगा. एंड मतलब वो मेरे को आज भी, मैं आंख बंद करके बिना आंख, मैं खुली आंखों से आज भी मैं वो सिनारियो देख सकती हूँ कि किस जगह की किस, मतलब यू नो, किस यूनिवर्सिटी की किस जगह वो चीज हुई थी और क्या था क्या नहीं था, एंड हाउ लाइक लिटरली ही डिड दिस एंड दिस. आई विविडली रिमेंबर, एंड आई विश at that point of time somebody have just told me this कि यार it is very different, it is very literally different कि just because you could not clear NEET exam that does not mean your life end. Just because you could not clear NEET exam that does not, and for the love of God, that does not mean you cannot clear any exam in your entire fucking life. That does not fucking mean that. It just means that कि ठीक है, वो not that serious, हो गई चीजें, अब क्या करें, आगे ही बढ़ सकते हैं ना, या वहीं बैठ के बस रोते रहना है कि यार मतलब अब तो नहीं हुआ तो बस दुनिया तबाह, जिंदगी तबाह. और कितने लोग कर लेते हैं भाई, सुसाइड रेट इज सो हाई बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. कोटा में कितने बच्चे हर साल मर रहे हैं, और क्या क्या करना है, तुम बैठ के क्रिप कर लो, मैं तो बोलती हूँ क्रिप कर लो, रो लो, बट यार like it is not same, it is literally not same. Just when it is literally not same, just because you could not clear mean that does not mean you can't clear USMLE. कोई भी इंसान अगर तुम्हें बोले ना कि वो तुमसे नीट नहीं क्लियर हुआ तो तुम FMG USMLE ये सब कैसे क्लियर करोगे, बोलो उसको स्टैम्प पेपर पे तुमको लिख के दो वो चीज, उसको अपने लिटरली बोलो कि साइन करके मुझे स्टैम्प पेपर पे दो कि just because I could not clear NEET exam that means कि मैं कोई एग्जाम जीवन में क्लियर नहीं कर पाऊंगी या कर पाऊंगा, that means I'm a उनको बोलो लिख के दे. Can they literally write it on the piece of paper and tell you कि हाँ भाई, can they do that? No, right? And if they do not, they cannot do that, they are nobody to tell you what to, like you know, if you could or you cannot. भाई किसी को फ्यूचर नहीं पता, लिटरली किसी को फ्यूचर नहीं पता, तुम्हें खुद को नहीं पता कि यार हो सकता है तुम्हारा नीट क्लियर ना हुआ हो, ठीक है, उसके बाद यू गो लाइक यू नो गो अब्रॉड और यू गो वेर एवर, मे बी तुम्हारा मैनेजमेंट कोटा से भी एडमिशन हो गया और प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में, जैसे भी यू टुक इट इनटू प्राइवेट मेडिकल और मे बी यू वेंट अब्रॉड और व्हाटएवर दैट यू हैव डन, उसके बाद तुम नीट पीजी के एग्जाम दो और मे बी उसमें तुम्हारा AIR बना जाए. Yeah, what are the possibilities? It's literally 50 on 50, right? So why would you bet for it? Why would you listen to somebody? And oh my god, I don't get it. Why people ask strange people for their opinions? Why do you want people on the internet to tell you what you can do? Do they know you as a person? Do they know your capabilities? Do they know anything about you? तुम एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो उसको, वो अपने जो भी ओपिनियंस दे रहा है अपने मूड के हिसाब से, केपेबिलिटी के हिसाब से भी नहीं, उसके मूड के हिसाब से. उसका आज मूड अच्छा है वो बोल देगा कि हाँ हाँ भाई मतलब तुम तो कर सकते हो. आज उसका मूड अच्छा नहीं है, बोल देगा तुम तो शिट पर्सन हो, तुमसे ये नहीं हुआ तुम तो ये भी नहीं कर पाओगे. तुम ये यू नो, फर्स्ट लेट्स गेट इनटू द होल साइकोलॉजी ऑफ इट. तुम किसी के मूड पे नो, तुम उस इंसान को जानते भी नहीं हो, तुम किसी के मूड पे अपने लाइफ का डिसीजन कैसे ले सकते हो? Just because people on internet, somebody on the internet told you, okay, you can't do it because you could not do NEET, so you can't do anything in future. Why would you believe that? अगर बिलीव करना है तो ये बिलीव करो ना कि ओ जस्ट बिकॉज आई कुडंट डू नीट बट दैट डज नॉट मीन आई कुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग इन माई लाइफ. ऐसे लोगों को सुनो ना. तुम क्यों, बिकॉज इसमें आगे है, आई ओके मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक पे स्टक रही, ठीक है, आई रीड द अदर पार्ट ऑफ इट.